Welcome back to your channel MSKTV. Today's episode, learn 3D basic shapes the easy and fun way, questions and answers. Let's start. Take a look at each shape, then say its name aloud. What is the name of this shape?
It is a sphere.
It is a sphere. Nicely done! A sphere is perfectly round, like a ball, and it has no edges or corners. Look at this one. What is its name?
It is a hemisphere.
It is a hemisphere. Good job. A hemisphere looks like half of a sphere, just like half an orange. Now, what is the name of this shape?
It is a cube.
It is a cube. Fantastic. A cube has 6 equal square faces, 8 corners, and 12 edges, just like a dice or a building block. Can you name this shape?
It is a rectangular prism, known as a cuboid in the UK.
It is a rectangular prism, known as a cuboid in the UK. Wonderful! A cuboid or rectangular prism has 6 faces, but not all are squares. It looks like a box or a brick. What about this one?
It is an ellipsoid.
It is an ellipsoid. Great work! An ellipsoid looks like a stretched sphere, like a rugby ball or an egg. Look at this tall shape. What is its name?
It is a cylinder.
It is a cylinder. Excellent. A cylinder has 2 circular faces and 1 curved surface, like a can or a tube. Now, can you name this shape?
It is a cone.
It is a cone. Marvelous. A cone has 1 circular base and a pointed tip, like an ice cream cone or a party hat. Here's another shape. What is its name?
It is a hexagonal prism.
It is a hexagonal prism. Wonderful! A hexagonal prism has 2 hexagon faces and 6 rectangular faces. It looks like a beehive column or a nut bolt shape. Look carefully at this shape. What is its name?
It is a triangular prism.
Wonderful! A triangular prism has 2 triangular faces and 3 rectangular faces, like a tent. Can you name this next shape?
It is a triangular-based pyramid, also called a tetrahedron.
It is a triangular-based pyramid, also called a tetrahedron. Great answer! A tetrahedron has 4 triangular faces, 1 on the base and 3 on the sides. Look at this one. It's long and hollow. What is its name?
It is a tube.
Good. A tube is like a cylinder but open at both ends, like a pipe or a straw. What is the name of this donut-like shape?
It is a torus.
It is a torus! Amazing! A torus is shaped like a ring or donut with a hole in the middle. Look closely at this shape. What is its name?
It is a pentagonal prism.
It is a pentagonal prism. Very good. A pentagonal prism has 2 pentagon-shaped faces, 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom, and 5 rectangular faces joining them. It looks like a long house with 5 sides. And finally, our last shape for today. What is its name?
It is an octahedron.
Fantastic! An octahedron has 8 triangular faces, 6 corners, and 12 edges, like 2 pyramids joined base to base. In summary, here are the 3 D shapes we learned in this episode. Sphere, hemisphere, cube, ellipsoid, cuboid, cylinder, cone, hexagonal prism, triangular prism, tube, torus, pentagonal prism, octahedron, and tetrahedron. Great job, everyone! Keep practicing and join us in the next series, only on MSKTV. We kindly invite you to subscribe, like, and share this video with parents, teachers, and friends. Your support helps us keep creating fun and inspiring math lessons for learners everywhere.